Hello, this is Jose from Bacon Wrapped Avocado. Laurel is not here right now. Let me show you real quick how to export an animation you recorded in Manus Core 2.10 and import it into iClone 8.21. All right, I'm going to go to Manus dashboard and I'm going to open a recording, press the recording button, and then I hit open. And here's the recording that I've done a few days ago. Going to open this up. And let me play a little bit of it so you can see what's going on. Now, this particular one, we only recorded with myself. Laurel wasn't part of this one. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to turn off Laurel here. And as you can see, we recorded this with time code. And it's looking pretty good. So let's go ahead and export it. So I'm going to hit the export button. All right. Now, a couple of things here. I'm going to choose for skeleton Mixamo. This seems like the best or the easiest way to get it into iClone 8. I've tried the other ones briefly. Couldn't get them to work right away, so but then figured out that Mixamo works really well. I'm going to choose YBot for myself, and I'm going to leave these things. Now, one of the things you'll want to do is if you have this checked, you'll want to uncheck it. For some reason, iClone 8 doesn't like embedded timecode in the file. It seems that whenever I check this and export, which is very useful to have timecode in the file, but in the case of iClone, it seems to get stuck for me around 21%, and it never gets unstuck. So I tried it without, and it seemed to work fine. Hopefully that will change later on. Another thing that you'll want to do here is if you give this a name, if you want to import this into your library of motions in iClone, it tells you that it does not like these dashes. It basically says that you can only put alphanumeric characters and the underscore. So if you want to preserve the date and add this to the library when you import it, you'll want to also change these to underscores instead of dashes. All right, let me do that real quick. And that's about it. I'm going to hit the export. Everything looks good. And it doesn't take long at all. This is, I don't remember how long this is, but this is not a very long clip. Okay, so we're done with the Manus Core part. I am going to switch to iClone 8. All right, now over on iClone 8, I've already loaded my character. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to go to import external motion. Now, here's the exported file from Manus dashboard, Manus Core. I'm going to just open it. And the really nice thing about iClone is that it recognized the Mixamo format. It's defaulting to YBot here. Okay, so it recognized that. And all I have to do is basically say to convert it. That's it. So I'm going to play it real quick here so you can see. I always start with a T-pose there. And that's how it looks on a character for character that's in iClone 8. So very simple, just to recap real quick. I exported from Manus Core as a Mixamo format, and then just make sure that I unchecked the timecode, because for some reason iClone seems to be getting stuck when importing a file that has embedded timecode. Also made sure that I only exported one of my characters, and then really easily just imported it into iClone, and it detected the format. There's no retargeting or anything like that. Just added the motion to the character in the timeline, and I'm ready to tweak it. All right, thanks for watching, and we'll try to do some more short tutorials in the future. Okay.